Hopefully I'm in the next video.
Right. Okay, bye.
Am I gonna be in the next video?
Okay, bye. Hey guys, it's beach day. He's driving us. It takes about 2 hours. It's Emily. We are heading to the beach. We're gonna meet Isaac at a restaurant. It's called Blueberry's Grill.
In 1.5 miles, turn right to I-40 East Fort Rock.
Okay, we actually have to go back to the
Turn
house.
right on Smoky Mountain Street.
Because
then turn left on Everglades Way.
he changed.
Turn right on Smoky Mountain Street.
He's ready for the
Then
beach
turn
now.
left on Everglades Way. Then
So,
turn left on
yeah.
Smoky Mountain Street. Making
Say hi. Okay, we have about an hour to go. We've been driving for about an hour, and it is currently 12:07. Emily's in the back sleeping, and yeah, we're just chilling. Okay, we made it. We parked. We paid for our parking too. Now we're walking to the beach, and it's outdoors. But yeah, it feels nice outside. Nice and windy, so that it's not too hot. But yeah. We've been walking for like 5 minutes. No, probably like 10 minutes now. And we saw a drink spot across the street, but there's no way to cross. So we're gonna try to get close to the beach. And everything got heavy, so he took all my bags and stuff. So we just ate sandwiches. It was like 4:30 right now, I think. Yeah, 4:32. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, we're just chilling on our blankets. Say hi. But yeah, we're just chilling, eating some snacks. Yeah, I think I might pull out my watercolors soon and just mess around with them. Yeah.
That's kind of crazy.
What?
She barely went in the water because apparently the waves were too strong.
No.
I went out all the way out there. I tried to pull her too, but somebody was just adamant on staying back.
No. See,
Counting,
I was in the water.
picking up these.
I was in the water, and I was trying to go far, but the waves wouldn't let me. They were too strong, and it's really windy out here.
Perseverance.
I tried, I really did. But I did collect a lot of shells. Well, look at this one. And then I have like 3 more. And this one. And I got some broken ones because I'm gonna use them for my watercolors. But yeah. Each day is over. We are walking back meeting his girlfriend for the first time. So. Okay, we're at dinner. Hi. Oh, I didn't know. No, you're good. We're with Isaac and Kendall. Hi. We're at a burrito restaurant. We've all
Flaming Amy's.
Flaming Amy's burrito.
yeah, Flaming Amy's burrito. But yeah, we've all basically eaten our burritos, and now we're just talking.
Yep. This place is really good. Y'all should come on. If you ever come to right to Williminton, Flaming Amy's. It's your nice burrito.
So I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, but I figured I would just keep vlogging today because we are at the pool now. And yeah, we're just having a pool day. So the pool day is done, and now we are gonna go
To Zaxby's.
Yes,
Going to Zaxby's.
going to get Zaxby's because I don't know. Every time I come here, or ever since I've come here, I've always been craving Zaxby's for some reason. This is probably our third time getting Zaxby's in the month that I've been here. Probably third time in
Third time in like the past 2 weeks.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy, but
So we're going back. And
Zaxby's is good. Sadly though, one time we went, the fries were not seasoned, which was extremely disappointing because the time before that, the fries were seasoned, and they were. I'm just yapping at this point. Let me try to talk.
But yeah, they were the reason. Well, no, we went to a different Zaxby's and it wasn't seasoned, so we're going back to our trusty place. The one that never fails us, actually. I mean, we've only been there once, so.
Bet not fail us.
Yeah, okay, bye. Demolished. Guys, I'm full. My tummy's bloated. I gotta stop eating so fast. Also, my camera's about to die, so peace out, guys. Actually, we'll end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching, for tuning in. Be sure to like,
if you haven't already. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. And even if you don't want to, just do it anyways, and God will bless you.
Turn on those post notifications anyway.
Turn post notifications on, please.
Anyway, we will see you.
Alright, you guys.
We will see you in the next video.
Maybe. Hopefully I'm in the next video.
Right. Okay, bye.
Am I gonna be in the next video?
Okay, bye.